Tired of bank queues and complicated processes? Let's unlock the power of convenient banking by learning how to make transactions on the Nationwide app. First, open the Nationwide app on your smartphone and log in securely using your passcode, fingerprint, or facial recognition. This will take you to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, tap on the transfer option, usually located at the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to send money to existing payees or set up new ones. Select a payee from your list, or if you're sending money to someone new, tap Add New Payee and follow the prompts to enter their account details. Be sure to double-check all the details. Enter the amount you wish to transfer in the designated field. You can also add a reference for the transaction, which can be helpful for both you and the recipient. Review all the details on the confirmation screen very carefully. Once you're satisfied everything is correct, tap Confirm Transfer. You may be prompted for further security verification. To pay bills, return to the dashboard and look for the Pay Bills or Bill Payments option. It is usually within the More menu. Choose a biller from the list or add a new one using their account details. Similar to transferring funds, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to pay. Beyond transfers and bill payments, the Nationwide app offers a range of account management features. You can view your balances, download statements, update your personal details, and even manage your direct debits and standing orders. Don't forget to explore the security features within the app, such as the ability to freeze your card instantly if it's lost or stolen. Nationwide prioritizes your security. That's it. You're now equipped to make transactions and manage your accounts with ease using the Nationwide app. Explore the app for yourself and discover all its features. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more banking tips.